Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. Friends, it's another video of idioms. So let's learn some idioms through this video. Okay, the first one is to stab someone in the back. What does it mean? It's like betraying or hurting someone who trusted on you. जो हम पर भरोसा करते हैं उनके भरोसे को तोड़ना मीन्स पीठ पर छुरा भोंकना। अगर हिंदी में हम कहें तो इसे कहते हैं पीठ पर छुरा भोंकना। ओके, लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल। ओके, I thought he was my true friend, but he stabbed me in the back. In the back. The next one is to give somebody the benefit of the doubt. What does it mean? It means to believe someone's explanation or excuses even if we are not sure about that. Okay, let's have an example. He might be lying, but we have to give the benefit of the doubt and accept what he says for now. मीन्स हमें श्योर नहीं है कि जो कह रहा है वो सच है या झूठ है, पर अब हमारे पास कोई क्लियर क्लू नहीं है कि ही इज़ राइट और रॉन्ग, सो वी हैव टू गिव द बेनिफिट ऑफ द डाउट। यानी हमको एक बार चांस देना पड़ेगा, हमें भरोसा करना पड़ेगा। द नेक्स्ट वन इज up in the air. What does it mean? It means being uncertain about something. Means किसी चीज़ के बारे में certain नहीं होना, अनिश्चित होना. Okay, suppose we have took any decision but we are not sure about that, we are not certain about that, so we can say we are planning for going somewhere but the decision is still up in the air. We had to go to Shimla, but the plan is still up in the air. The plan is still up in the air means अभी भी plan अनिश्चित है. It's not definite. The next one is miss the boat. It means miss the chance or opportunity. Okay, if we got any chance and we missed it, so we can say miss the boat. Okay, I didn't reach on time for the interview and I missed the boat to get a good job. I missed the boat to get a good job. It means इंटरव्यू था, मौके पर नहीं पहुँचे तो हमारा चांस गया. It means we missed the boat. Keep learning, keep going and keep supporting me. Thank you.